Hello everybody, this is Makonnen. I'm from DeepSight, which is my YouTube channel. In this channel, I make videos about different computer programming languages, different computer softwares, and different computer hardwares, and even about universe. So guys, keep subscribing, liking, and sharing my channel to your beloved friends and families for more videos from DeepSight. Now, let's get started. Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can develop a website. By the way, there are so many computer programming languages in the world. Some of them are used to develop operating systems, others are used to develop simple application softwares, and even others are used to develop web applications. So web means in essence website. So website is also an application software that used to search information at far distance. So any website has two required components and one optional component. The two required components of any website are the front end or the client end or the user end, or that means the user side, user scripting, and the back end or the server end. That means the server side, server script. And the other one optional component of any website is the database component. So the database of any website is used to store large amount of data and retrieve anywhere, anytime at far distance. Okay guys, today I developed simple website which is called DeepSight, as you see here, deepsight.com, which is nominated based on the name of my YouTube channel called DeepSight. So this is a very simple website I developed, and it has the three components, the two required components, the front end and the back end, and the optional component, that is the database. So I will show you one by one. Follow me attentively. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let me close this. And you can open any browser like that of any website that we search from the server. For example, the browser I usually use is the Google Chrome. Let me open this browser. Okay, now it has nothing to do. On the search bar, like that of any website, I will type HTTP like this. Here it says HTTP colon 2 forward slash and localhost forward slash create account forward slash homepage.php. By the way, the computer programming languages that are used to develop the front end of any website are HTML combined with JavaScript, combined with CSS and others. But the programming language that is used to script or write the back end of any website is called PHP. That is why it says that PHP. The file extension of this file is .php. And this localhost means instead of writing www.com, www.google.com like that, or youtube.com or facebook.com, it says localhost because for the time being, my website is hosted on the local server. And the local server is again hosted or found on my computer. So due to that, it says localhost, or the IP address is 127.0.0.1 in case of DNS. That means in case of domain name system, that means the IP version for localhost is 127.0.0.1. And in this case, it says localhost because I am using the local server. And the server is called WAMP server, the server that I used to develop my website. There are also other servers like that of XAMPP and others. So here slash create account is the folder that contains my website, and it slash homepage.php means the file. This homepage.php means the file name and the file name for my home page. So today, first of all, by the way, click on enter, then it searches and loads like this. So today I'm gonna show you only the front end. Then the next time I will tell you the back end in combination with the database using PHP computer programming languages. But the front end of my website was scripted or written using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So at the top it says deepsite.com inside the division element. So there are so many elements, by the way: division, paragraph, image, link, and others, videos, audios, so many elements. So in the future, we will see by writing the code using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS for each element. And each element has so many properties with their values, property value pairs. So today only I will tell you only the highlight for the front end of my website, which is called DeepSite, deepsite.com. So at the header part is deepsite.com, and next to that the image, which is the profile picture for my YouTube channel DeepSite. So how to insert the header, the division, the image, the link, I will tell you in the following days. In the subsequent following days, I will tell you by writing the exact code, by implementing exactly on our browser, how to insert image, header, title, link, form, table, and so many elements for our front end, for our back end, for our database. Then next to that, this is again the other division, which contains DeepSite, the place where you start to look out of the box. This is using paragraph. It was written like that, and next to that the two parallel images, how to insert two parallel images, how to minimize and maximize the length and the width of the image, I will tell you. Then next to that there are so many links here, and also here are the texts and links. The link for ads, by the way, when we see how to create account or sign up by clicking on this link, in the next time I will tell you how to upload ads. That means create an account. Someone will create an account to upload ads to my website. Then the advertisements or the ads will be stored on the ads database. Then after that, the admin or the Google may serve as one admin, or I will be serve as the other admin, will allow or assign which type of advertisement will go towards or in parallel with which videos and audios and also images. So if I click this, if there is advertisement stored on the database, that advertisement will be retrieved and shown for me. But for the time being, there is no advertisement, only the link is put here. So by default, the link is underlined and the color is blue. Yes, blue. Then next to that, here are some sample advertisements. DeepSite YouTube channel, and this is a YouTube picture. So the picture is served as a link. How to use a picture as a link, I will tell you by writing a code. I will show you. The Ethio Telecom vacancy, the DMU, that means Debre Marcos University resources. This is one website. This is the other website, and this is also the other website. This DeepSite YouTube channel is my YouTube channel homepage. If there is a connection and click on this link, it will bring you directly into my YouTube channel homepage. Then you can watch videos, my YouTube channel videos there. For example, the videos that I am making for the time being, you can get by clicking on this. Then next to that, guys, here are the links: view images, watch videos, and listen to audios. If the admin uploads images, videos, and audios like that of the ads here, the images, videos, and audios will be stored on the database. Then, if the user clicks this, it will bring the user to the page that will contain so many images that has been retrieved from the database. Like that, or likewise, if the user clicks this watch videos, the user will be brought into the page that will contain so many videos retrieved from the database. Likewise, that of the audios. Here, this is the sample image and this is the sample video. For example, let me click here.
ነበረ ያለና የሚኖር
like this. By the way, this is my YouTube video, one of my YouTube videos, the sample video. If I click on this, the audio, this is also taken from my YouTube video, only the audio and the video part was separated or splitted, and the audio only is uploaded here, not uploaded, but as an element put here on the user side. Next to that, guys, the link, there are so many links below that: sign up, sign in, login, and biography. These are the back end or the server side links. If I click on this, by the way, if it is a text is a link or a hyperlink, the pointer arrow will be turned into a little hand like this, and the link will be displayed on the left bottom corner. Look attentively, guys. If I hover over this link, then immediately around this, on the right, on the left bottom corner, the link that contains the exact source will be displayed here. Like this. It says localhost/createaccount/signup.php. That means if I click on this link, the page that will be displayed, so the address of the page that will be displayed after clicking on this link is displayed here under this. So this is the link to create account, sign up, and this is for admin only, sign in, not for users, but for admins. That means only the admins will access this link. If I click this link, the page will be displayed to fill a username and the password of the admin. So anyone other than the admin will not get privilege to access that page and manipulate the database. But the user, after sign up, the user will get a page by inserting their username and password. Here it is the link for login. That means if there is anyone who has an account before, he will directly click on this link, not sign up, but login. Then he will insert his username and password and he will access what he wants. And this is a link for biography for me. That means the admin, one of the admins is me, by the way, for this website, deepsite.com. And if I click this, it will bring me to the page like this. It's biography, and this is my biography like this written. Then below that, the footnote I will show you. Let me go back to my home page. Then, guys, next to that, it is a division, developers of this website, because this website was developed as a class project. These are the two my friends that helped me in developing this website, and this is me. The name is Makonnen Gete, and occupation is student at Debre Marcos University, by the way. At this time, in 2021, in Gregorian calendar, these two my friends and me are student in Debre Marcos University. We are IT students, third year information technology student at Debre Marcos University. So these are my friends, my beloved friends who helped me in developing this website, even though the website is mine. Then next to that, guys, the footer, the division. The footer is under the division, and under that, offered in English. By the way, the website is offered in English. There are so many languages in the world, human languages like that of French, American, English, and others. So I preferred English language. Then the privacy and the terms links are here. Then follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. By the way, if you click this YouTube as the previous one, it will bring you into my YouTube channel homepage, which is called DeepSight. Then don't miss to subscribe by clicking on this. You will get a page that is the homepage for my YouTube channel, DeepSight. Then there you will get subscribe link and subscribe button. Click on that and you will get notification as soon as I upload new video about different computer programming languages, computer software, hardware, even about universe. Very interesting topics in the world. And don't miss to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter and Instagram. Then contact us if you want our email and mobile phone. Contact us on email makonantgeti@gmail.com and mobile this or this, the two mobile numbers. The first one is up to here, excluding the slash. The next one is this. So guys, this is all about the front end of my website, which is called deepsight.com. And next time I will tell you in detail the back end of my website in relation to the database. So at that time we will especially use this sign up link for admin, this sign in link and this login link, and we will see in detail how to create account, and after creating account, how to log in, and after logging in, how to upload audios, videos, and images. And also for admins, after signing in, no need of creating account for the admin, because if there is a form or a page to create account for the admin, anyone will create account and enter into the database and manipulate as he want, as he likes. So there will not be security. So the password and the email for the admin will be inserted on the database, not on the server side. On the server side of this the website, we will see in the next time. So for today, it is all about. If you have any question or comment, please let me know by writing your comment and questions immediately below this video. So thanks for watching for 2 days. Next time we will meet with the server side or the back end of this website, deepsight.com. Okay, for the today, thanks for watching. Have a nice time.